The thought of wearing black in the summer probably fills most of us with sweaty dread. But ever since I discovered that it's actually better to wear them in the summer because the color absorbs heat, which is more cooling than white garments, I've been feeling pretty excited about my dedication to opt for a near gothic wardrobe. Here's how to wear the hue even on the hottest days of the year. Whether you're getting dressed for a summer day in the city or packing for a weekend away, you can't go wrong with a classic and versatile black shirt. But if you aren't sure if all black is the right thing for you, try to include black prints and patterns in your wardrobe. Start slowly with a skirt. Elevate this satin shirt for a balmy, out in the city date night with a printed satin mini skirt with trim tassel details. Complete the look with some patent sandals for a subtle glam or a minimal strap sandal like I have worn here because comfort is key. A black summer wardrobe can have unexpected versatility. After all, 50% of our wardrobe is filled with this color. Plus, it's a super easy way to make any outfit look instantly more polished, which is ideal. Summer is naturally about wearing as little as possible. And once you opt for black, it doesn't mean you need to be covered in it from head to toe. Show a bit of skin. Like this backless top. It's a perfect piece of clothing to wear on a hot day when paired with wide leg trousers. You can add interest to this simple yet elegant outfit by playing with accessories such as jewelry, shoes, or a bag. Choose accessories that can add a fun element to this outfit. Like I added an evening bag from Ferragamo with gold chain strap detailing to complete the look, and it instantly elevates this ensemble. Well, another thing to consider is your choice of undergarments. A lot of people don't pay attention to this, but wearing breathable undergarments can keep you cool and comfortable in the summer heat as well. Look for cotton or bamboo fabrics that will wick away moisture and prevent sweat stains. For an office to off-duty look with enough polish for the theatre or after-work drinks, consider tailored pants as a starting point, then style with a cropped t-shirt to keep the aesthetics cool, not corporate, followed by a striped linen shirt. When it comes to wearing black in the summer, it's all about the quality of the garment. You won't look polished and elegant in a polyester dress or a blouse, but you will look effortlessly cool when you opt for linen, cotton, silk, and satin. All these materials keep you cool. For office, I'd simply close the buttons all the way up and tuck the shirt in my trousers. For the finishing touches, focus on the accessories and slip on a pair of dainty mules and a matching leather belt. Consider wearing open-toe shoes with your summer outfits, such as a pair of sandals and sliders made from breathable materials to keep your feet cool. Strappy heels in a neutral color such as nude or white can be a great choice as well. Finish the look with a sculptural leather bag, for example. This studded structured tote bag from Ferragamo is a sleek alternative to a classic cotton canvas carry-all. It's roomy enough to fit all your daily essentials, plus a water bottle, makeup pouch, and a change of shoes if needed. And as always, no day look is complete without a pair of sunglasses. Add a little color by opting for accessories in interesting and unexpected colors such as these rose-tinted sunglasses. Ask any fashion stylist what their go-to color is for pared-back elegance, and the answer will most likely be black. And the most famous of all black pieces? The little black dress, of course. Loved by everyone, from silver screen starlets to royalty, supermodels to music icons. Also, we can take the little part loosely, as mid-length and long black dresses are equally timeless and alluring, like this halter neck, floor-sweeping style is a case in point. In fashion, the word effortless is high praise indeed, and a description the LBD truly deserves. It looks instantly put together and demands very little in the way of accessories. The thing to note is the fabric. I don't need to repeat, but linen is a natural fiber known for its breathability and lightweight structure. So it's perfect for summer as it allows air to circulate, keeping you cool and comfortable even in the hottest weather. Pair this look with cream slip-on sandals and match the bag to go with it. Add a pair of tinted sunglasses for a trendy vibe and you're good to go. The beauty of the LBD is that, whatever your style, there's a dress for you. The key to styling this inky shade is to pair contrasting textures and choose pieces with dynamic shapes so that head-to-toe black looks are elevated and considered. Even if you decide to wear a pair of black jeans, try to opt for a looser fit, not a skin-tight pair. Case in point, I'm wearing these high-rise utility trousers with a printed linen top from Zara and strappy sandals. Add an evening bag to elevate this look and a bold lip for a finishing touch. From platform heels to stiletto sandals, statement earrings to bearskin, The LBD goes with almost anything. A sleek and versatile shirt dress illustrates that black is a practical choice for the office too. Go for classic tailored staples like this belted midi dress. During the summertime when jeans are too heavy and you want more coverage than a mini dress or shorts, a gorgeous midi dress like this is your best option. Team this dress with a top handle bag, some comfortable shoes, and keep the jewelry minimal for a polished look. Add a pair of black sunglasses that add that cool dot to the outfit, and just keep in mind, the bigger the better. For a look that's a lot more modern, opt for a figure-flattering wrap dress in polka dots. Easy to transition from work to the bar, it's the perfect silhouette for a petite woman such as myself. The exaggerated sleeves add drama and the V-neck elongates your neck, giving you that much-needed illusion of height and length. Wear yours with a pair of cat-eye sunglasses for a garden party or al fresco lunch, and finish the look with bold accessories in red. This look is all about relaxed refinement. I think I saved the best for last. Vacations and parties are two of the best things about summer, and if your vacation wardrobe needs a warm weather update, then this dress is the perfect addition. This Zara dress has a whimsical feel and can easily be styled for off-duty days, garden parties, and of course, beautiful tropical destinations. It ticks all the boxes for an ideal summer dress, and it's made from a lovely lightweight cotton poplin covered in floral self-embroidery, ruffled shoulder details, and a tired skirt that adds volume. Simply pair this maxi dress with minimal platform sandals and a beach-ready raffia tote for a weekend exploring a cobblestone city. Then for dining al fresco, slip into some heel sandals and grab a mini bag which features interesting design details for a delightful nod to vacation season. And as always, I would finish the look by layering my favorite pieces of gold jewelry. So you see, mostly all black outfits are pretty simple and easy to style, but the difficult part is to choose just one. Hope you found this video helpful and it had showed you that you don't need to worry about wearing black even in the hottest days of summer. After all, 50% of our wardrobe is filled with this color, so why not embrace it in the summer months as well? As always, everything new worn in this video will be linked in the description box below, and if you're struggling to style a black outfit in your wardrobe and need some assistance, feel free to write in the comment section below and I will be there to help you out. Your comments not only motivate me to produce new videos, but it also acts as a source of research for me. A lot of you have written to me asking for styling tips for a particular item, or you have a certain dress code in your office and you want help with that. It really inspires me in putting together videos that you want to see, and we want to build a community around like-minded people. I hope you enjoyed spending time with me and learned something new from this video. As always, keep it stylish and look like $1,000,000 when you style yourself. I'll see you in my next one.